So the question is that the mirror image, we have been given that the mirror image of the point 1, comma 2, comma 3 in a plane is minus 7 by 3, comma minus 4 by 3, comma minus 1 by 3. So which of the point lies on the plane? Thus the image of the point P is 1, comma 2, comma 3. P is the given point with respect to the plane. Now suppose we assume that the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. This is the equation, assumed equation of the plane. And the image of this point P with respect to the plane is Q, which is given to us, which is minus 7 by 3, comma minus 4 by 3, comma minus 1 by 3. Now the direction ratios of PQ are simply minus 10 by 3, comma minus 10 by 3, comma minus 10 by 3, which is taking to the simple ratio format 1, comma 1, comma 1. So the direction ratios of normal to the plane is also 1, comma 1, comma 1. So the midpoint of PQ lies on the plane clearly, since one of the point is on the other side of the plane and the other point is just the exact reflected image on reflected on the plane. So the midpoint of PQ in this case would be just each and every coordinate, adding up each and every x, y and z coordinates and dividing them up by 2 respectively. So for x coordinate we have 1 minus 1 over here, and this we add this 1 minus 7 by 3, which is minus 4 by 3 divided by 2, which gives us minus 2 by 3 over here. Then for the y coordinate we have here 2, we have minus 4 by 3, which we have 2 minus 4 by 3, which is 6, minus 4 by 3, which is minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3 divided by 2 gives us 1 by 3. Then again we have 3 over here and minus 1 by 3, which is 3 minus 1 by 3, which would be 9 minus 1, 8 by 3 divided by 2, which would be 4 by 3. So clearly this is the midpoint of PQ. Now equation of plane with respect to the midpoint, which we write is x minus x1, which is x minus of 2 by 3, which is x plus 2 by 3 plus y minus 1 by 3 plus z minus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Now solving this, we take x, y, z on one side and then we add these three. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 gives us minus of 6 by 3, which is minus of minus of 3 by 3, which is 1, which comes to the side 1. So clearly 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 satisfies the equation of the plane.